Hi, I'm Bailey Moreno. Today we are going to be discussing the weekly agenda and personal device policies for my class. Both of these aspects of the classroom are essential to ensure the personal success of the students. On Monday each week, I will post the weekly agenda in the classroom with the schedule of activities and assignments for each given day. All exams will also be posted there, although students will have been informed about any upcoming exam at least 1 week prior to test day. By taking note of the weekly agenda, students will be able to better prepare in advance and appropriately allot time to get their assignments done. I feel like giving the students this information with a very clear timeline will help students be successful not only in their studies but in their outside lives as well. Furthermore, should a student need to miss a day of class, they will have an idea about what sort of lesson they missed and therefore can catch up easier by asking classmates for lecture and assignment notes, helping to have students form a better relationship amongst each other. Granted, the sense of community may not be incredibly strong with this aspect of the classroom, but hopefully group activities will help with that. With regards to personal electronic devices, students will have designated time to use them, such as during breaks or research time, but other than that, there should be no use of personal electronics in the classroom. Failure to adhere to this policy can result in confiscation of the device as well as the potential for after-school detention should the problem continue. Students will get 1 cell phone warning per quarter. After that, consequences will ensue. While I do think technology is the way of the future, there has to be some limitations on students using them in class. I want students to know how to use the internet to their advantage and how to find reputable sources to help prepare them for college. However, my class will also involve traditional lecture, and students should not need devices during that portion of the class. I will make it very clear when devices are permitted during respective periods. While I want students to have some sense of freedom, seeing as they are of the older generation of kids in school, I think it is also important to help them form good habits that will carry on through their lives, and learning to have focus during work time is one of those habits. I hope this has been informative on how I plan to implement the personal device and weekly agenda procedures.